Imagine a car that was based on the technology of the Ferrari Enzo model, with substantial modifications made to the engine, chassis, and aerodynamics. This was known as the Maserati Corse 12-cylinder, or MC12. The MC12 had marked Maserati's return to racing after 37 years, with a racing variant of the car built for competition in FIA GT racing. There were 50 road cars produced to homologate the 12 race cars. The styling of the MC12 is very much function over form. The body of the car is made entirely of carbon fiber and underwent intensive wind tunnel testing to achieve maximum downforce across all surfaces. It is powered by a 6-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine capable of producing 630 bhp and comes with a 6-speed Maserati Cambio Corsa automatic transmission. This gives the MC12 a 0-62 mph time of 3.8 seconds and is capable of achieving 205 mph.